looking for the largest microSD cards. Let's go, baby. Ain't nothing like a good memory card video. Am I right or am I right?
First off, guys, it can be tough to find the biggest microSD cards that work for your specific use case. Boo-hoo. But guess what? We did some research. Don't want to watch a long video? You can also see our full list of the largest microSD cards by visiting the link below this video. Go get it, girl, faux show.
Girl, faux show.
Here's what we'll be covering. Some of these topics are only on our website, which is linked below.
Oh, and don't you dare like, subscribe, or even comment, because, well, we won't be answering them. Oh, and a ho to you too.
Haha, don't listen to Santa. That's for grumpy Garys, and for people that like to skip right to the point. Now, smash that big, meaty like button.
When you're looking for the largest microSD cards, one is that there's going to be a 2 terabyte microSD card coming out, and that you can see in the link in the description. By the time you're watching this video, it might even be released, and I'm not sure which devices can accept this size card yet. Technology will reveal that to us, but like I said, there's a link in the description. You can see that card. It's a prototype and see all about it, and if it's available now, I'll update that page. But the second thing is that I'm going to go over all the largest microSD cards, which are the best, which are the most reliable, and why. But you guys are going to want to know that if you really wanted to save money and you only need 1 terabyte, just buy 2 512 gigabyte microSD cards, and it will cost you significantly less than the 1 terabyte card. If you need more than 1 terabyte, then of course you got to go with the 1 terabyte. It's going to depend on what you do, whether you're a photographer, if you're using Nintendo Switch, you're recording 4K, 8K video, drones, whatever, right? So what is the biggest, most reliable card? That is hands down the SanDisk 1 terabyte Extreme. It's just the most reliable card. I've used it. I've used other generic, cheaper microSD cards, and while they're all really good, this one has yet to get corrupted, whether that's from weather or from repeatedly reformatting or deleting things and adding things and reusing it. Sometimes the files get corrupted and the disk just doesn't work, which is like the worst thing you can imagine. This was reliable. SanDisk is a leader in the space. It doesn't cost that much more than the other brands, such as my second pick, which is the PNY 1 terabyte Pro Elite. It's a really good card. It's great for photographers. The speed classes on both of these are V30, and they have the class 10 and U3 specs, and it will run what you need in almost every scenario. So if you're not sure about all the speed classes, all of that, that's explained very thoroughly. Again, the link is in the description. You can read all on speed classes. We also have a post on in a video. It's on my channel on the fastest microSD cards. You can check that out as well by going through the channel and searching for that. But my third pick is the Gigastone 512 gigabyte. You could just buy 2 of those. Gigastone. It's a great alternative to a 1 terabyte card if you need a really big one. It has a good average read-write speed. It was reliable, and it's certainly not a slow card, but it is slower than the SanDisk Extreme. And I really recommend the SanDisk Extreme. You pay for what you get sometimes. If you're recording video and you're doing professional level work, you're going to want the higher read-write speeds and the reliability, honestly. So I wouldn't just choose a budget pick just to save like $10. The largest card from Samsung is the Samsung EVO. It's a strong name brand. It's great for file transfers, specifically like if you're using a Android device. And the speed classes on that I believe are slightly slower, but you have to check the technical specs, because I'm updating these top picks all the time, especially on the site. And as the technology advances, you know, these move a lot. But the SanDisk is reliable with all of that stuff. That's why I don't like to deviate from that, because it really is a reliable, strong pick. So, okay guys, you can see the rest of the picks. They are at the beginning of this video somewhere listed, or you can go on the website like I mentioned. So we have a few other speakers. Let's check them out.
Now you have two options here. One, you can sit through the next 8 minutes of video like Jabba the Hutt. Or two, in 0.5 seconds you can instantly see more advanced information, which is laid out clearly on our website.
This video will still be available on that page if you need it. Now, when I say the page has everything you need, it really does have everything you need. Go get it, girl, faux show.
Girl? Faux show.
If not, our tech expert Roberto Esteban Rojas Fernandez III is going to explain the rest.
Hello, my name is Roberto Esteban Rojas Fernandez Meja Grande Mojito de Tir. And let me cover everything you need to know.
Comment your thoughts about how you like Roberto Esteban Rojas Fernandez Meja Grande Mojito III.
Hit the like button if you like my pointless orange vest.
Hit the like button if you like my pointless orange vest better.
Also, if you like a big stack of a Frenchy toast as much as I like Frenchy toast, you can hit subscribe instead. Hi. I don't know if you know this, but this is my favorite Grace chair. Comment on this video and tell me which chair you like the best. My chair, Bab's chair, or this chair. Bye bye my cool friends.
Don't forget, more in-depth information on this is also available. In 0.5 seconds you can instantly see more advanced information, which is laid out clearly on our website.
Please subscribe to the channel my friends. It will help you every day.